Good morning students. Today we are going to see adverb. It is one of the topic in parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. It is adverb is one among them. What is adverb? Adverb is giving more information about a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Adverb gives additional information to verb or adjective or another adverb. It adds sometimes to the meaning of the verb also. It is called adverb. Give additional information to the verb is called as a adverb. It takes 3 positions. One is a how, where and when. When you ask a question how, you will get the answer is called as a adverb. Similarly, when you ask the question where, you will get the answer is called as a adverb. The same like when also. Let us see by using the word of. She replied angrily. How did she reply? How did she reply? She replied angrily. So here, while you are asking the question how, you will get the answer is angrily. So she replied. So replied is a verb here. It gives some additional information. How the replied is what? How did she reply? She replied angrily. So it is giving additional information to the verb. So it is called as an adverb. It is called as an adverb. Which one is adverb? Angrily is a adverb. It is a adverb. It gives add something to the meaning of your verb. He spoke softly. How did he speak? The answer question is how. How did he speak? He spoke softly. How did he speak? The answer is softly. So the word softly is an adverb. The word softly is an adverb. How can you find out it is an adverb? Because the word softly gives more information to the verb spoke. So he spoke. How did he speak? He spoke softly. So the word softly is the adverb. It adds something to the meaning of the verb spoke. You have done your homework well. So they are asking the question, how did you do your homework? I did my homework well. You have done your homework. Somebody is asking, how have you done your homework? You have done your homework well. So the answer well is the adverb. The answer well is the adverb. Adverb asked the question is how. Kala looks tired. The question is what? How does Kala look? Kala looks tired. So the word tired is the adverb. The word tired is the adverb. It adds something to the meaning of the verb or some information about the verb. So information is what? Looks. How does Kala look? She looks tired. So the word tired is the adverb. It is the adverb. Because it asks the question how also, it gives some information to the verb is look. So looking is what? Looking tired. Kala looks tired. The question is how does Kala look? Similarly, Meena sang sweetly. So you are asking the question, how did Meena sing? The answer is sweetly. Meena sang sweetly. So the word sweetly is the adverb. So the verb sweetly is the adverb. In short, adverb play a main role to give some information to the verb. She replied angrily. The word angry and softly, well, tired, sweetly are called as the adverb. Some information about the verb. What information you got it? Replied. Replied how? Angrily. Next one, spoke. How did he speak? Softly. Done the homework. How did you have done your homework? Well. How does Kala look? Looks tired. How did Meena sing? Sweetly. So the word, all these words are called as the adverb. Next one, it asks a question. Next one, Asking the question where. The girl looked up. Where did the girl look up? So it is a place. Where did the girl look up? So where is the place? Where do you come? I come from London. So London is a place. Similarly, where is a place? The girl looked up. Where did the girl look? The girl looked up. My sister lives here. So here is a adverb. Here is a adverb. It asks the question, where does your sister live? My sister lives here. I parked my car. Where? Outside. I parked my car outside. So outside is a adverb. Please come down. Down is a adverb. Because these are all the places where. It asks the question is where. The cat went under the table. Where did the cat went? The cat went under the table. So the word up, here, outside, down, under. All these words are adverb. All these words are adverb. How it is adverb? Let us see. First one. The girl looked. The girl looked. Where did the girl look? She looked up. So up is a adverb. My sister lives. Where does your sister live? My sister lives here. So it is a place. So it gives additional information. It adds something to the verb is lives. See, looked. So the up is a word. Adverb is says about the verb only, not says about the noun. See clearly. Up is a word, up is the adverb. It says about only the verb. It does not say about the girl. Similarly, leaves. Here, here means here, leaves only. The cat, see, I parked my car outside. So outside is what? Parked only. Outside is a park. So it parked my car outside. Outside is a parked only. So down. So come down. So here under is a wait. So all these words up, here, outside, down, under. All these words are adverb. Some information about the verb or adjective or another adverb. Let us see next one. When. I will be asking a question when. I will come afterwards. So I will come. Afterwards is a adverb. Afterwards is a adverb. So when will you come? I will come after. When asking the question, when will you come? I will come afternoon. So afterwards, afternoon. Here afterwards. I have written here afterwards. So let us use the word afterwards soon. I will come. When will you come? I will come afterwards. So afterwards is a adverb. It says about will come. It says about will come. Ram met his friend yesterday. When did Ram meet his friend? Yesterday. When did Ram meet his friend? Ram met his friend yesterday. So the word yesterday is a adverb. It says about what? Me. It says about the word is me. So when did Ram meet his friend? Ram met his friend yesterday. Similarly, do your homework now. So somebody is ordering you. Do your homework now. So when do you do your homework? Do your homework now. When shall I do my homework? Do your homework now. So here the word now is a adverb. Suresh goes to school daily. When does Suresh go to school? When does Suresh go to school? Suresh goes to school daily. So the word daily is a adverb. The word daily is a adverb. We reach the station soon. So when did you reach the station? Soon. Very soon. So the soon is a adverb. So here afterwards, yesterday, now, daily, soon. All these 5 words are adverb. You can ask the question, how can you make all these words are adverb means? Because it asks the question is when and it says some information about the verb. Here afterwards says about the come. Yesterday says about the make. Now is here do. Do your work now. Here daily is go. Next phrase is going to school daily. Soon means what? Reach. So all these adverb say some information about the noun. Give additional information or add some information to the verb is called as a adverb, or add something to the meaning of the verb is called as a next one. Adverb, don't think adverb come only in the end. Adverb come either in the end or beginning or even in the middle also. For example, Rama fought bravely. Here the word bravely is adverb. The word bravely is adverb. Here adverb takes the place at the end of the sentence. See the first one. Happily she cashed her winning lottery ticket. So here the adverb, it comes in the beginning of the sentence. So here adverb placed in the end of the sentence. Here the word happily is adverb. It comes in the beginning of the sentence. So adverb may come at the end or beginning or even in the middle also. I walked inside the garden. Here the word inside is adverb. So it is placed in the middle of the sentence. He nearly lost the game. Here the word nearly is adverb. So adverb takes the position either in the end or beginning or in the middle of the sentence. See here, Rama fought bravely. Bravely is adverb. It comes at the end of the sentence. Happily is adverb. It comes in the beginning of the sentence. Inside is adverb. It comes in the middle of the sentence. Similarly, really is adverb. It comes in the middle of the sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, some information about the verb or adjective or adverb. Another adverb. It is also called adverb. Here I have taken as a verb. Some more information. You have to write here some more information about your verb. Here let us see the verb. The old man is a subject and walked is a verb. What is this verb? Slowly is a adverb. Slowly is a adverb. Here the old man walked. How did the old man walk? Slowly. So the adverb says about it gives some more information to the verb. Verb is here walked. Slowly refers, the adverb slowly refers, the verb is walked. Similarly here, she sings sweetly. So sweetly is adverb. Sweetly is a adverb. This adverb says some more information about the verb is sings. She sings sweetly. Sweetly is the adverb. It gives some more information to the verb, not to the subject. So here some more information about the verb I have given two examples. Let us see some more information. Adjective. Some more information about a verb or an adjective. I have given the example for adjective. See the first one. Your handwriting is very clear. Your handwriting is a subject. Your handwriting is a subject. This is a be verb. Clear is an adjective. The word clear is an adjective. See, your handwriting is clear. The sentence is completed. Your handwriting is a subject. This is a verb. Clear is an adjective. The sentence is completed. But here the word very is an adverb. Here the word very is an adverb. It says about the clear. It says about, it gives more information to the word is clear, adjective. That one is here. Some more information about an adjective. It is also called as a adverb. Here, your handwriting is a subject, this is a verb and clear is a adjective. But here, your handwriting is clear. The word very is a adverb. It qualifies or it modifies the adjective word is clear. So, it is called as a adverb. Here, in short, it gives some more information about the adjective. Similarly, Her answer is a subject, is a verb, and wrong is an adjective. Her answer is wrong. The sentence is completed. Her answer is wrong. His sentence is completed. The word wrong is a adjective. The word wrong is a adjective. It is a adjective. But totally is a adverb. The word totally is a adverb. It modifies the adjective word is wrong. The word totally is a adverb. It totally is a adverb. It modifies the adjective word is wrong. So it is a adverb. Totally is a adjective. Totally is a adverb. It gives some more information to the adjective word is wrong. Next one. These cakes are really delicious. These cakes is a subject. These cakes is a subject. Are is a verb and delicious is a adjective. Delicious is a adjective here. These cakes are delicious. Very tasty one. It is a very delicious also. But really is a adverb. Really is a adverb. The word really is a adverb. It modifies the word delicious. That means it modifies the adjective is delicious. That means it gives more information to the adjective word. Here, really. Really what? Delicious. So the word really is a adverb. The word really is a adverb. Next. The pot is a subject, is a verb. And hot is a adjective. Hot is a adjective. This pot is hot. The sentence is over. The pot is hot is sentence over. But the word very is a adverb. The word very is a adverb. It modifies the adjective is hot. It modifies the adjective is hot. Or it gives more information to the adjective word is hot. How it is hot? It is very hot. How it is the pot? It is very hot. So the word very is the adverb. It modifies the adjective word is hot. So adjectives. Adverb is placed the adverb. Sometimes adverb gives more information about the adjective. That is some more information about the adjective by using this adverb. Let us see the examples for another adverb. Adverb. I played quite well. Here I is a subject, played is a verb, quite is also adverb. And it is also adverb. Well is also another adverb. Well is also another adverb. Here it gives some information about the adverb. I played quite. So the word well is says about the adverb is quite. So adverb plays in it gives some additional information about the adverb, about a verb or adjective or another adverb. Here it is another adverb. I have given the example for another adverb here. Here because quite is adverb, well is also another adverb. It gives more information to the another adverb. I hope you can understand this one very well. Let us see a few more examples in next class. Thank you.